Imagine waking up after just 7 days feeling lighter, more at ease, and surprisingly energized, all from a single addition to your daily routine. My friend, what if something as simple as fennel seeds in water could hold the key to changes you didn't think were possible? Stay with me, because what you're about to discover might just be the missing piece your body has been craving after 50. Improved digestion and gut health. Let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like your stomach is holding a grudge after a meal? You know, that bloated, tight feeling that just won't let you relax? It's something so many of us deal with, especially as we get older. But let me tell you, fennel seeds might just be the gentle nudge your digestive system needs. These tiny seeds are packed with dietary fiber which works behind the scenes to keep your digestion running smoothly. And here's the real star, anethole, a natural compound in fennel. Think of it as a calming presence for your gut, easing cramps, reducing bloating, and getting everything moving just the way it should. Imagine a busy highway at rush hour. Anethole comes in and clears the traffic, letting things flow with ease. Here's a simple idea. Brew some fennel tea after meals. It's warm, soothing, and works wonders on digestion. Plus, it's like a little self-care moment you can sneak into your day. Trust me, when your gut feels light and balanced, it's like a ripple effect. Your whole body feels better. Hormonal balance. Hormones. Those little messengers that sometimes feel like they're running the show. And if you're navigating the ups and downs of menopause, you know how tricky they can be. But here's the thing. Fennel seeds can be a gentle, natural way to help steady the ship. Here's how it works. Fennel seeds contain phytoestrogens, which are plant-based compounds that mimic the body's estrogen. It's like having a backup team that steps in when your body's natural estrogen levels start to dip. This can make a big difference when it comes to those frustrating symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. Picture this. You're waking up feeling calm and rested instead of drenched in sweat and wondering if your thermostat is broken. That's the kind of balance fennel can help bring. One easy way to use it. Infuse fennel seeds in water overnight and sip on it in the morning. It's refreshing and can help ease those hormonal fluctuations throughout the day. And here's a bonus. Fennel's soothing aroma has a calming effect, making it a little stress buster too. Life's busy, but a simple natural helper like fennel seeds can make things feel just a bit easier. Joint pain relief. Joint pain, a faithful yet unwelcome companion for many as the years go by. Stiffness in the knees, achy fingers, or that creaky feeling when you get out of bed can make even the simplest tasks feel monumental. But let me tell you, fennel seeds might just be the relief you've been searching for. These tiny seeds are packed with anti-inflammatory properties that work like a natural balm for your joints. Here's the magic. Fennel seeds are rich in antioxidants and compounds like anethole, which help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation, as you may know, is often the root cause of joint pain and stiffness, especially for conditions like arthritis. By calming the inflammatory response, fennel seeds can help soothe your joints and improve mobility. Try this simple remedy. Brew a fennel tea or chew a teaspoon of fennel seeds in the morning. Over time, you may notice a gradual reduction in that persistent soreness. And here's a fun fact to brighten your day. Fennel seeds have been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat joint issues, so you're in good company. Combine this habit with some gentle stretching, and you'll feel like your joints are getting a much-needed oil change. Improved heart health. Now, let's turn our attention to your heart, an organ that deserves all the care and love you can give. You know, maintaining heart health becomes especially important after 50, and fennel seeds can be an excellent ally in this mission. These little seeds are a treasure trove of potassium, a mineral that plays a key role in regulating blood pressure. High blood pressure, as you might know, forces your heart to work harder than it should. The potassium in fennel seeds helps relax blood vessels, improves circulation, and makes it easier for your heart to do its job. But that's not all. Fennel seeds are also known to help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, levels. Lower cholesterol means less buildup in your arteries, which reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Here's a simple way to incorporate fennel seeds. Add a pinch to your meals or steep them in water for a refreshing drink. Drinking fennel water daily can make your heart feel lighter, like a weight has been lifted. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're taking proactive steps to protect your heart. It's a small effort for a big reward, my friend. Enhanced vision. All right, let's face it. Reading glasses become our trusty sidekick as we get older. And recognizing faces from across the room? Well, that can feel like a guessing game sometimes. But here's the good news. Fennel seeds might be a small but mighty way to support your vision. Packed with vitamin A, fennel seeds act like a shield for your eyes, protecting them from oxidative stress. This can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a condition that often creeps up as we age and makes everyday activities like reading or driving a challenge. Here's a little trick you can try. Use fennel seed water as a gentle eye wash for tired eyes. It's soothing and refreshing, perfect for those days when your eyes feel strained. And regularly including fennel seeds in your diet can even enhance night vision. Great news if you love stargazing or late-night walks. Because, let's be honest, life's precious moments deserve to be seen clearly, don't they? Detoxification. Do you ever feel like your body needs a fresh start? Maybe you've been feeling a bit bloated or sluggish, like you're carrying around a little extra baggage. Well, fennel seeds are here to help. They're like your body's spring cleaning crew, gently helping to flush out toxins. Here's how it works. Fennel seeds act as a natural diuretic, encouraging your kidneys to produce more urine. This helps your body eliminate excess fluids and harmful substances, leaving you feeling lighter and more energized. And here's a bonus. Keeping your kidneys happy can also reduce the risk of pesky urinary tract infections. Try starting your morning with a warm cup of fennel tea. It's a simple habit that can set the tone for the rest of your day. Imagine feeling lighter, cleaner, and more in tune with your body's natural rhythm. When your kidneys are happy, your whole body feels it. And trust me, it's a difference you'll love. Boosted immunity. Let's talk about your immune system, your body's very own defense team. As we age, keeping this team strong becomes even more important. Fennel seeds, with their impressive vitamin C content and antioxidants, are like reinforcements for your immune system, helping you stay one step ahead of seasonal sniffles and other illnesses. Vitamin C is a powerhouse nutrient that supports the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. Meanwhile, antioxidants like quercetin in fennel seeds neutralize harmful free radicals that can weaken your body's defenses over time. It's like giving your immune system a shiny suit of armor. Here's a fun tip. Mix ground fennel seeds into your soups or salads for a subtle boost in flavor and nutrition. Or brew fennel tea during colder months to keep your defenses strong. With regular use, you'll likely notice fewer colds and a general sense of vitality. After all, who doesn't want to feel strong and resilient, ready to take on whatever life throws their way? Improved sleep quality. Ah, sleep, that elusive, precious commodity. If you've ever found yourself staring at the ceiling in the middle of the night, you're not alone. Poor sleep can leave you feeling foggy, irritable, and just plain out of sorts. But here's the good news. Fennel water might be your ticket to sweeter dreams. Fennel seeds contain natural compounds that help calm the nervous system and relax the body, making it easier to drift off. They're like a gentle lullaby for your insides, reducing stress and promoting a sense of peace. Have you ever noticed how sipping something warm before bed can feel like a comforting ritual? A cup of fennel tea can enhance that feeling, preparing both your mind and body for restorative rest. For an added touch, try combining fennel with a pinch of chamomile for a sleep-enhancing brew. And here's a fun thought. Imagine waking up feeling truly rested, without the grogginess that often comes with over-the-counter sleep aids. With fennel seeds as part of your bedtime routine, you're giving yourself the gift of better sleep, a cornerstone of good health at any age. Sweet dreams, my friend. Health conditions to exercise caution with fennel seed water. Fennel seed water is often celebrated for its amazing benefits. But you know what they say, one size doesn't fit all. While this remedy can work wonders for many, there are some cases where it's better to proceed with care. Let's dive into the conditions where fennel seed water might not be the perfect match for everyone and why it's essential to listen to your body. Allergies. Here's a quick reality check. Not everyone's body reacts the same way to natural remedies. While rare, some people are allergic to fennel seeds, especially if they're already sensitive to plants in the carrot or celery family. Symptoms like itching, rashes, or respiratory discomfort could crop up. Here's a tip. If it's your first time trying fennel seed water, start small, just a sip or two, to see how your body reacts. Better safe than sorry, right? Low blood pressure? Here's the deal. Fennel seed water can help lower blood pressure, which is fantastic, unless your blood pressure is already on the low side. In that case, it could make you feel dizzy, tired, or even faint. If you've experienced symptoms like these, consider cutting back or skipping fennel seed water altogether. As always, a quick chat with your doctor can help clear things up. How to prepare fennel seed water and the recommended quantity. Now that we've covered when to be cautious, let's get into the fun part. Making fennel seed water. It's simple, quick, and can easily become a part of your daily routine. Let me walk you through it. Simple preparation method. Ingredients. All you need is 1 to 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds and 1 cup of water. Want to jazz it up? Add a pinch of honey or a slice of lemon for a little extra flavor. Steps to prepare. Overnight infusion. Before bed, drop the fennel seeds into a glass of water and let them soak overnight. Strain the seeds in the morning, and voila, your fennel water is ready to go. Boiling method. Prefer a stronger taste? Boil 1 cup of water, add the fennel seeds, and let them simmer for about 5 minutes. Cool, strain, and enjoy. Serving suggestions. Drink it first thing in the morning to kickstart your metabolism, or sip it after meals to keep bloating and discomfort at bay. Recommended quantity. Let's talk moderation. 1 to 2 cups a day is perfect. Here's why. Too much fennel water can act as a diuretic, leading to dehydration or an electrolyte imbalance. If you're trying fennel seed water for the first time, start small, around half a cup, and see how your body feels. Tips for best results. Consistency is key. Drink fennel seed water daily for a week or two to notice its full benefits. Storage. If you make a large batch, store it in the fridge and finish it within 24 hours. Experiment. Add a pinch of cinnamon or a slice of ginger if you want to spice things up. A friendly reminder. Fennel seed water is a gentle, natural remedy, not a miracle cure. Pair it with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle to feel your best. Share this easy recipe with friends and family and let them experience the benefits too. After all, good health is even better when shared.